step is to add all our microservices into the Azure repository. For that, we need to go to the Azure DevOps. We need to create a new project, set up a name, private, create the project, and you will have the new project like this. So go inside. You need to go to the repos, and you need to add all your repos here. Just click here, add new repository, add the name of the repository, and save it. Once we have all the repositories, this one we don't need it, so we can delete it. We'll delete it later. Now, once you have everything, go to, for example, account, clone the repository, generate a new credential. It's gonna ask to generate a new user and password. Copy the password, paste it somewhere secure, and then just clone the application. Copy the URL, go to your terminal, and just git clone and paste the URL. It is gonna ask for your password just once, and once it's cloned, just do the same thing with the other ones. You don't need to generate the git credentials again, just once. The next step, we're gonna copy our project that we already have into the clone one. Account, and last one, transactions. And then we just push all the changes. You can see all the changes. We add everything. And one thing that we need to do, just checking really quick. I don't know how. Command Shift dot. So git ignore for in the git ignore file. File. But donuts. Need to rename this to git ignore. Copy and paste. Security and transaction. Then we can add them. First commit to the region. Then we go to the history and we do the same thing. We add everything. Security, we add everything to the git with committer first commit. And push our changes. And lastly, the transaction. Then we go to our repositories, refresh, and we should see all our files here. Oh, Oh my god. Oh, just make sure that for you guys it's not a txt file. It should be just .gitignore.